The Drug Supply Chain Security Act, or DSCSA, and traceability guidelines help ensure compliance in the pharmaceutical industry by providing a comprehensive framework for tracing prescription drugs from the manufacturer to the dispenser. Here is a step-by-step process involved. In this video, we'll delve into the process behind PharmaMax's TrackNTrace Counterfeit Risk Management, or CRM, software. Step-by-step process. Step-by-step process serialization. Serialization. Assign unique identifiers. Each prescription drug package is assigned a unique identifier, or serialization, which includes the national drug code, the NDC, a unique serial number, the lot number, and the expiration date. Print on packaging. These identifiers are printed on the drug packaging in both human-readable and machine-readable, or barcode, formats. Verification. Manufacturers verify the unique identifier before shipping the product to the next trading partner. Trading partners, such as wholesalers and dispensers, verify the product identifier before accepting ownership of the product. Product tracing. Details about the transaction, such as the drug name, strength, dosage form, NDC, container size, number of containers, lot number, transaction date, shipment date, and business names and addresses of the buyer and seller are recorded. A record of all previous transactions involving the product is maintained. A statement by the trading partner that they are authorized, received the product from an authorized source, and complied with DSCSA requirements. Data exchange. Information about the product and its transactions is exchanged electronically to ensure accuracy and speed. Systems used by different trading partners must be interoperable to facilitate seamless data exchange. Verification of saleable returns. Saleable returns verification. Wholesalers verify the product identifier of returned drugs intended for resale to ensure authenticity. Tracing and verification processes by dispensers. Product receipt. Dispensers receive and verify transaction information, history, and statements before accepting products. Dispensation products are dispensed to patients, with records maintained to ensure traceability. Investigations and notifications, suspect and illegitimate products. If a product is suspected to be illegitimate, trading partners must investigate, quarantine, and notify the FDA and other trading partners. Notification. Upon determining a product is illegitimate, trading partners notify the FDA and trading partners within 24 hours and provide relevant information. Record keeping. Trading partners must maintain records of transaction information, history, and statements for at least 6 years. These records must be readily available for inspection by the FDA and other regulatory bodies. Product recalls. The traceability system helps in efficiently recalling products by providing detailed information about the product's distribution history. Regulatory compliance. The FDA conducts inspections and audits to ensure compliance with DSCSA requirements. Ongoing monitoring and audits by the FDA and internal teams ensure compliance and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, the pharmaceutical industry ensures that prescription drugs are safe, legitimate, and traceable throughout the supply chain, thereby enhancing patient safety and regulatory compliance. Discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Achieve efficiency and peace of mind with our integrated ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. Visit pharmamax.org for detailed information. Still unsure? Need additional assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing review and submissions. Thank you for your attention. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act, but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe. Until next time. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us contact@solutionsmax.com for a prompt response.